Britain starts free trade deal talks with the GCC, and UK inflation skyrockets to a 40-year high. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Britain has commenced talks for a free trade deal with the GCC during a meeting of British and GCC ministers of trade in Riyadh. The GCC is Britain's 7th largest export market. Its demand for international products and services is expected to grow by 35% to $977.9 billion by 2035. The proposed trade deal is expected to encourage investments from Gulf countries. Gulf investments supported over 25,000 UK jobs in 2019, which tripled over the previous decade. Britain's inflation surged to hit a 40-year high of 9.1% in May compared to May 2021 on record food and fuel prices. The rate edged higher in May from 9% in April, reaching the highest level since 1982. The inflation rise was largely driven by electricity, gas and other fuels, along with transport. The UK headline inflation rate in May was higher than in the US, France, Germany and Italy. Oil prices plunged more than 5% today as traders grow increasingly worried that demand will take a hit from a possible recession. West Texas lost 5.6%, dropping to around $103 a barrel, but Brent lost 5.2%, dropping to around $108. Crude soared in recent months on concerns that tight supplies caused by the Ukraine war will not be enough to meet demand for reopening world economies, particularly China. Major crypto firm Tether will launch a stablecoin pegged to the British pound next month. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to keep a steady value against traditional currencies or commodities like the dollar or gold, or in this case, the British pound. But crypto markets were rocked last month when the value of Terra USD, a stablecoin that used a complex algorithm, collapsed. Tether's dollar-pegged stablecoin is the third largest by market cap, with some $68 billion in circulation. Digital assets platform FalconX was valued at $8 billion in a new funding round led by Singapore's sovereign wealth fund GIC and B Capital. It more than doubles its valuation in 10 months. This funding round totaled $150 million from new and existing investors, bringing fresh capital to the company, even with an unfavorable market environment for cryptos. The deal comes as FalconX plans to increase its workforce by 30%, adding 55 new employees. And golfers who've joined the Saudi-backed breakaway Live Golf Invitational Series will be allowed to play at the Open next month, according to organizers, the R&A. The PGA Tour has already suspended members who signed up to play with Live Golf. However, they were able to play at the US Open earlier this month. The Open will be played at St. Andrews from July 14th to 17th. Several top golfers like Phil Mickelson, Dustin Johnson and Bryson DeChambeau joined Live Golf, which is bankrolled by Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.